In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remove or modify filters in Google Sheets. If you've been working on organizing data and suddenly find yourself needing to clear or adjust some filters, this guide is here to simplify the process. Filters in Google Sheets are extremely useful for visualizing specific data subsets, but knowing how to manage them efficiently is vital to maintaining control over your data. Let's start with how to remove a filter from a specific column. First, you'll want to locate the filter icon in the column header. The filter icon looks like a tiny funnel, indicating that a filter is currently applied to that column. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Remove Filter. By selecting this option, the filter applied to that specific column will be removed, and any data previously hidden will be visible once again. This method is particularly useful if you're interested in clearing filters from individual columns while keeping filters intact on other parts of your sheet. Next, if your goal is to remove all the filters in your Google Sheet at once, there's a straightforward way to do this as well. Head over to the top menu bar and click on Data. Once you're there, look for Remove Filter. Clicking this will clear all active filters from your current sheet, revealing the complete dataset in its unfiltered form. This action is perfect for when you need to reset your view quickly and see all your data without any filtering criteria. And now, let's talk about modifying an existing filter. Suppose you want to refine your data view by tweaking the current filter's criteria without removing it entirely. To do this, click the filter icon in the column header where the filter is applied. This brings up a list of the current filter criteria you've set. At this point, you can adjust these settings to tailor your data view to your current needs. For example, you might want to include or exclude certain data points based on new information or analytical needs. These modifications can help keep your analysis dynamic and adaptable to shifting requirements or insights. So there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of how to remove or modify filters in Google Sheets. These skills are essential for anyone looking to maximize their efficiency and accuracy when handling spreadsheets. Whether you're cleaning up your data view or refining it to uncover deeper insights, understanding how to manage filters allows you to maintain a streamlined workflow and adapt to your project's evolving demands. Make these strategies a part of your everyday data management toolkit and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing!